few things. We got isolated severe storms will persist. We got potential spike in severe weather activity heading into next week and this weekend as well. Potential heat wave coming, and then I will talk about something the GFS has been showing, potential thoughts on a hurricane, if will this happen or not, and a few thoughts about hurricane season, hopefully, if I have time. So here we go. We got severe weather possible for North California, North Nevada, Oregon, Idaho. New Mexico and Texas will persist into severe weather. North Dakota, the Dakotas down into eastern Iowa, western Nebraska, and parts of Missouri will have severe weather today possible. Carolinas as well will have it once again, be under a risk. Mainly, for North Carolina, mainly the coast. For South Carolina, it goes a little bit inland. Florida, parts of inland peninsula, and the coast as well. So pretty much just marginal risk today for wind and hail. Same tomorrow. And some similar areas such as Montana, Idaho, Washington, the Dakotas, Texas, Georgia, and North Florida. So Georgia and North Florida is a new area. That also includes far south parts of South Carolina. So that will be, once again, wind and hail for all these. Going into Friday, the plains and southern Georgia and Florida could see some severe weather possibilities. So we continue into Saturday, where we will have a dry line form. There will be favorable moisture, instability, and shear for storms to form. Potential storms could be supercells and multi-cells forming along a dry line. Right now, the biggest threats appear to be wind and hail, but that will continue to be monitored. The Cape, which is convective available potential energy for anybody who doesn't know, basically energy that fuels storms to form, will be going up in the next week, so we'll continue to watch, see what happens with these storms, see if any of them can become bigger supercellular storms at all. We've also got, I'm going to show you guys the GFS model here. Basically, as this severe weather is supposedly going up, we will have a couple low pressure systems making their way into the U.S., which could spike the severe weather along this area in here. And we could have, of course, we will have plains, maybe even a couple making it to the southeast. We'll see. But, yeah, that's what severe weather looks like. We will have a heat wave coming in as well. So, temperatures for a lot of people will certainly be up in the 90s. So, everybody be ready for that heat wave, because it will definitely be pretty warm for June. Some people could have some record-breaking highs as possible. Coming into later this month, the GFS seems to show what would appear to be a hurricane coming out of the Gulf. Now, if this is to happen, we do not know if this will happen or not for sure, but we still don't know where it would go, because, of course, this is way too far out. We don't know where it would go, when it would form, how strong it would be, or if it even forms at all. So, that's something we got to figure out. But we will continue to keep you guys updated. It has shifted to having make it landfall in Texas, but of course, it could really shift anywhere. So, because we got so much time, I mean, it could end up shifting and have it hitting somewhere in the east, like going out and hitting somewhere in the East Coast. So, I'll continue watching it for you guys, and I'll give you guys an update. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.